The inner diameter of a circular well is 3.5 meter deep and 10 centimeter, sorry, well is 3.5 centimeter long and deep 10.10 meter. Find its inner curved surface area and cost of plastering of at the rate rupees 40 per meter square. So one thing students, so cylindrical well, okay, diameter that is 3.5, okay, and height is 10 meter. First of all, you need to you should wait. Inner curved surface area means inner of this portion, okay, curved surface area. So here r equal to 3.5 by 2, 3.5 by 2, that is meter or centimeter, meter, okay, and no need to divide it 3.2 by 3.5 by 2, and h equal to 10 meter, h equal to 10 meter. One thing, so inner curved surface area, that is ICSA, that is inner curved surface area. What is the formula of inner curved surface area? Tell me in the chat box. Tell me in the chat box. Inner curved surface area. What is the formula of inner curved surface area? Tell me in the chat box. Sir. Two pi RH. Okay. 2 pi RH. So 2 pi RH. Now 2 value of pi, that is 22 by 7, R 3.5 by 2, H 10. Okay. In mensuration, main problem is calculation. It seems it is too much lengthy. If you know to calculate in well manner, it will be easier to you. Look at the board. 7 0.5, 0.5 2 2, 0.5 into 22 11, 11 into 10, that is 110 meter square. Okay, inner curved surface area is 110 meter square. Now one thing students, what is the now second part, cost of plastering. Now we know that cost of plastering, that is rate into area, rate that is rupees 40, area 110, so 4400 rupees. Total cost needed. Sir, can we change meter into centimeter? Why? All the data are given meter, then why you change? Who asked this? Orpit, no need to change. All the data are given in meter and also the cost per meter square. It is given also the cost of plastering in meter square. That's why no need to change. Okay. So that is question number 7. If you have any problem regarding the question number 7, tell me quickly. I will try to explain. Okay, no problem sir. Okay, 3 response I have got. Ronit, okay, next sum, that is question number 8. Question number 8, in a hot water heating system, it's mean in simply words geyser, there is a cylinder of pipe of length 28 meter and
diameter 5 centimeter, find the total radiating surface. Oh, just like that.
Okay, so that area we need. So here height equal to, question number 8, height equal to given 28 centimeter, 28 meter, centimeter or meter, 28 meter, and diameter 5 centimeter. So 5 centimeter means radius will be 5 by 2, that is 2.5 centimeter. Now convert it into meter. So 2.5 by 100, that will be 0.025 meter, 0.025 meter. Okay, next, that is radius. Next, curved surface area, because these are the radiating surface, we need to find the curved surface area. Curved surface area, CSA, formula we know that 2 into pi into r into h. So 2 into pi 22 by 7, r means 0.025, h means 28. Now just look at the calculation. 44, 0.25 into 4, 0.25 into 4, it will be 0.1, it will be 0.1, just, okay, it will be 0.1. Now 0.4 into that is 4.4 meter square. So area of the radiating surface of that hot water heating instrument system is 4.4 meter square. So the area of radiating surface is 4.4 meter square. If you have any problem regarding these sums, tell me quickly, and remember that is not curved total surface area, only these portions are, that's why it is a curved surface area. Any doubt? That is question number 8. Okay, now question number 9. Question number 9. Question number 9. Find the LSA, it means lateral surface area or curved surface area of a closed cylinder petrol storage that is 4.2 meter in diameter, 4.5 meter in height. Okay, so storage that is 4.2 meter in diameter, 4.2 meter in diameter. Okay, so diameter equal to 4.2 meter. So what will be the radius? Obviously radius will be 4.2 by 2 meter, that is 2.1 meter. Got it? Next, length or height is 4.5 meter. So first question, find the LSA. It means curved surface area or lateral surface area. So LSA, tell me the formula LSA. Tell me the formula of LSA of cylinder. 2 pi r h. So 2 into pi into r into h. 2 into 22 by 7 into r, that is 2.1 into h, 4.5. Now students, one thing, just remember 7 into 3, that is 0.3. Now 2 into 4.9, 4.5, that is 2 into 4.5, that is 9. Okay, and 22 into 3, that is 6.6. It will be 59.4 meter square. 59.4 meter square. Okay, so that curved surface area is 59.4 meter square. Next question, next part. Any problem up to this? Tell me quickly. If you have any problem,
up to this, tell me quickly. That is the lateral surface area. Okay. Next part, first go through that parts, that is how much steel is actual required, how much steel is actual required. Okay, if 1 by 12 part 12 of the steel wasted in the mass. Forgot about the last sentence, how much steel is required. First of all students, it is given a storage of petrol storage. It must be a closed cylinder, and closed cylinder means it is made by steel. So which one we needed? Which one we need? That is curved surface area or total surface area. To find how much steel is required, tell me. Yeah, CSA. Okay, that is by Ronit. Ronit, if TSA only that portion is blank. If it is TSA, that portion will be blank. In case of CSA, curved surface area, and TSA, total, including these circles. Okay, so here we need total surface area. Okay, yes, total surface area, only 8 students. Okay, so what is the formula of total surface area? Tell me in the chat box quickly. What is the formula of total surface area? Quickly. Two pi r into r plus h. Okay, 2 pi r into r plus h. 2 into 22 by 7 r means 2.1 plus 4.5. So 2 into 0.3, that is 6.6, into 2.1 plus 4.5, that is 6.6. 6.6. Okay, just calculate it. 2 into 6.6, that will be 13.2 into 6.6. Eighty-seven point 87.12 meter square. So area of the cylinder is 87.12 meter square. Okay. Now students, listen one thing. It is the surface area of that amount meter square. That amount of steel is here. But it is also given that 1 by 12 part of the steel it is wasted. So total steel required, it means 87.12 plus wasted. Is it or not? Tell me. 87.12 plus wasted, that is the total required sheet. It is only the area. To make it, some amount of steel is also wasted, and we need to find the total area of that cylinder plus wasted surface area of steel. Okay, so that's why I am taking like total area of steel required, that is x. Okay, that is x. Now wasted amount, you can take x meter square. Okay, I am taking x meter square. Now wasted 1 by 12 part of what? 1 by 12 part of total, that is 1 by 12 into x, that is x by 12. Got it or not? Got it or not? Okay. Now total x wasted x by 12 and the x minus x by 12, that must be equal to 87.12. Is it or not? Tell me quickly. Is it or not? X by 12 equal to 87.12. Okay. Now that is according to the question. X minus x by 12. So 12 LCM, 12x minus x equal to 87.12. 11x by 12, that is 87.12, and x equal to, x will be 87.12 into 12 by 11. Okay. So 87, that will now cut it, it will be 7, 10, 110.92, 7.92 into 12. I am just rubbing the upper portion for the shortage of space. So x equal to 7.92 into 12. 7.92 into 12. .04 meter square. Okay. So total amount, total surface area needed, that is 95.04. Out of this 95.04 meter square, some parts has wasted and remaining parts are used to make that closed cylinder. Okay. So students, if you have any problem regarding these sums, you can tell me. I am just waiting. I will try to explain your doubt. No problems are okay. Okay. So students, today, as you don't have any problems, today I end this class here. In the next class, I will try to solve from the next sums. Okay. I hope you got the concept of, you understand the question of 8, 9, 10. Thank you students. Bye.